How to retire on 6 figures tax-free without locking your money up in a 401k. Step 1, you and your spouse each contribute $500 a month into an IUL. This is going to be your safe money that's going to kick off cash flow like crazy in retirement and function kind of like a tax-free personal pension. Step 2, you and your spouse max out your Roth IRAs for $7,000 a year each. Roth IRAs are also tax-free, and they can be invested in the stock market, which means it can be an incredible growth instrument to build your wealth for the future. If you were to invest doing this from age 35 to age 60, you would have just over $1 million at age 60. However, because the stock market has risk, they're not a very good income or distribution tool. So that leads us to step number 3. Step 3 is at age 60, we're going to take half of that $1 million in your Roth IRA, and we're going to move that money into an annuity. At age 65, when we retire, that's going to give us a guaranteed tax-free pension of $46,400 a year. Now, after moving the money into the annuity, you continue to put money into your IUL, you continue to invest in your Roth IRAs, and this is what it would look like in retirement. Your IULs would kick off $70,000 a year of tax-free income. Your Roth annuity would kick off $46,400 a year of tax-free income. So right there, guys, that's going to bring your total tax-free income up to $116,400 a year. And you still got more than $500,000 in your other Roth IRA still invested in the market. One last thing, let's say, for example, that you were able to save and invest a little bit more and put money into your 401k to take advantage of your employer's match. This gets even better. Check this out. So if we took our $116,400 that we're getting tax-free from the IUL and from the Roth annuity, and then add on the standard deduction, meaning that in 2024, you can pull up to $32,300 of income from a fully taxable 401k or IRA that falls under the standard deduction, and that money's tax-free as well. So by utilizing these 3 instruments, you would be living on almost $150,000 a year tax-free retirement income. This doesn't have to be rocket science, guys. You just need to know where to put your money and how much of it to put in each bucket. If you found this information helpful, please follow me here on social media. And if you want help setting up a tax-free retirement for yourself, drop me a direct message or use the link in my bio to schedule yourself a complimentary consultation.